National Civil Emergency Message for the following counties or areas, United States. The following message is transmitted by the request of the United States government, until further notice. There is an unknown phenomenon going around the United States country called the Doppelgänger. It can morph into a person that is identical to you or any loved ones. These instructions are vital for your safety. If you are inside your home with the lights out, do not look outside your window. Turn on your lights before you look through any window. Do not leave your home if you see a figure outside. Even if he's turned away, do not look at him. Lock all doors and windows before turning off all lights inside your residence. Hide in a small space and call authorities. Do not move from hiding unless you hear an unfamiliar voice. If you do hear a familiar voice coming from inside your home, do not move. He is inside. He is inside. He is